Hey folks, Micah McGee here. Today it is hot and it is dry. It hasn't rained for a good while. When it gets up in the 90s, you got to have rain pretty often, but we haven't, and it is drier than a popcorn fart, I tell you. I'm standing at the edge of my cornfield and you can see there's supposed to be some pumpkins planted down through here, and they are, but most of them aren't growing very good at all right through here. Now you can see way down at the bottom where there's some moisture, they're doing all right. So and also the weeds are doing all right. So what I'm gonna do is show you how I can take those weeds and use those to maximize the moisture around my plants. What we discover is the pumpkins will wilt very quickly when it gets dry. Cucumber's not so much. They're the last things to go. Everything is gonna be dead if a cucumber wilts. So what we want to do is take the cucumbers and use them to provide moisture for the plants, or at least they aren't going to water the plants, but they're going to retain the moisture that the plants already have by simply mulching. Let's get with it. Whew, getting pretty warm out here. But anyway, hope that you enjoyed this. Hope that you could take something out of this that you can use. In other words, basically, your garden is already growing its own mulch. Just utilize it as such, and I think you'll be further ahead down the road. So we're gonna get on out of here. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.